They are wanting to pass this inflation bill, but will it actually be better for the American people, or will it make things worse? There's a story to every side, but stay tuned because all that information is in this video. Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another show. What is Joe Biden saying? What is Joe Biden doing? Schumer and Manchin, they say that this bill is good. They've actually backed it up, and the people are saying, in fact, it's actually going to make things worse. An article posted said that most Americans will feel tax pain from the damn inflation bill despite Biden's past promises, and the analysis is that Democrats are trying to sell the American people a bill of goods, said Senate Finance Committee ranking member Mike Crapo. The vast majority of Americans will pay in taxes as a result of Democrats' inflation bill, despite President Biden's pledge not to raise taxes on those making under $400,000 per year. So do you remember when President Joe Biden said that there would be no tax raises for those that make under $400,000 a year? And I thought, wow, that who really makes that but just maybe a handful of people, so everybody should be good. We don't have to worry about taxes going up. Well, that's not so much the case right now, just because people will receive a tax increase from those that make $100,000 and less. And I'm thinking, that's over 90% of the population. So what does that tell you about this bill? In fact, that's why they're saying that it will make things worse. Let's continue reading. The Inflation Reduced Act, unveiled Wednesday by Senator Joe Manchin and endorsed by Biden, would increase tax revenue by $16.7 billion from Americans earning less than $200,000 a year, according to a nonpartisan analysis from the Joint Committee on Taxation published Friday. Nearly every tax bracket would pay more in taxes, with those making below $10,000 per year seeing the largest uptick. Now you tell me, for those that make less than $10,000 a year, they're going to see the biggest increase? My mind is blown. Guys, I thought you'd like to know this information that just came out, and it's my job to let you know. I know it's not the best news and the good news, but there again, what bill are they passing that literally is going to make everything worse? I thought they were trying to help us. But guys, let us know down in the comments what you think about this bill. Also, we're doing a ton of giveaways on this channel. For example, we're doing a huge $250 giveaway for 2 lucky subscribers. All that information is down below, and you can also win a $100 Visa gift card, and all you got to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. All right, guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned because we've got more videos coming, and until next time, I'm John Miro.